welcome back to INSANEBRIT Gaming. I am the INSANEBRIT, and today we're unboxing a brand new monitor. I had an Asus model before, and for whatever reason it up and died on me. This is the Asus VP278QG. You can buy a 4K version that would retail at about $250. I've decided to go with a 1080p model because I don't record in 4K at this point in time. 150, so it's quite honest to God a bargain. It is 27-inch screen. The previous one was 28. HDMI, FreeSync, low blue light, flicker free, TUV certified. This does go up to 60 frames per second. It actually displays that on the actual screen itself, I've seen. Of course, that's just for consoles in Xbox or PS4. Possibly be able to play the PS5 on it, I don't know. But you can play consoles on it, but of course that is locked in at 60 frames per second for console. When it comes to PC, I've been told you get much higher frame rates. So yeah, so it's good for PC gaming as well as console gaming as well, which I know a lot of people like doubling up. Personally, I have a big TV for my gaming on console, but for PC, of course, I'm going to need a monitor, and that's what primarily it's going to be used for. So yeah, I haven't got a lot of space to actually unbox this, so I've just more or less gonna have to go with what I've got here at this point in time. If I can just flip the camera around so I can see what you guys are seeing as well. There is a lot of issues here, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to try my very best to unbox this for you guys. Again, there's not a lot of space, so yeah, it is going to be an issue. So let's get this unboxed. And straight away I have an issue. Alright, so let's get my box cutter and let's see what we got. Alright, there's just one thing to cut. If I can get here, I see it's locked in. There we go, at the side. Alright, here we go, that's easy. Yeah. Right, I don't know if you guys can see that, nope, but it doesn't matter. Whoa. Okay, this is the base. I think you have to screw that in. There's one screw at the bottom. I suppose you twist that in. Okay. We have some wires here. Not too sure what that is. HDMI. Or whatever. What else do we have? Alright, that might be it. Looks like a chat thing. I'm not too sure what that is. Oh, okay, display port, DVI. Okay. Let's go with some more wires with the plug itself. I've been told that there is a UK plug in here as well. So that should be good. Oh. Okay, that's another connector port. If you're going to use those, that comes with it as well. I don't really use that. I use a HDMI port. Okay, we've got some instructions. Okay, these are all just wires and stuff. I mean, instructions and paperwork. Now I can get rid of the cellophane. Wow. Okay, it's a bit of a pain. Do this. Again, here is the plug for the UK version. So let's go. Then we're going to do this. Just lift. Okay. Okay guys, I got that out of the packaging. Let's move this box and then let's tangle this. Just actually have a look at the screen. And there it is in a nutshell. Pretty big. I think it looks pretty good. Okay guys, I am going to have to set this up. I'm not going to fiddle around with it and everything on camera. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set it up and so you guys can see it good and proper. Okay guys, I set up the monitor. I haven't turned it on yet. The wire that come with it, the plug, does work. The UK version, of course, I believe. But it is way short, so I've had to move my desk around, which isn't ideal. What I'm going to do, and there's a lot of wires here, but I know what they're all for. I'm going to have to get a multi-plug thing like that again, but just proper long, so I can move my desk and everything back to its original positioning. But yeah, so I am holding this at this point, so bear with me. So this is my first switching on of the actual monitor. I've just turned my PC on actually as well. So yeah, let's see how this goes. I'm hoping I don't have to set anything up, because I can't be arsed right now. Or maybe I do, I don't know. What a pain in the backside. Hold on guys, 1 second. Oh no, here we go, it's on. Didn't have to do anything after all. But yeah, it's not ideal. I've had to move all my setup. I'll be trying to move this back. Next few days I'll have I'll buy a longer plug socket thing from Amazon. I'll try and leave one of those in the link description below as well as this product. And hopefully, yeah, there it is. Boots up nicely. I haven't mucked around with the what do you call it, the settings. Obviously I've just turned it on, so, and there is my backdrop. Very nice, looks pretty good. Yeah, I'm proud of that right now. I'm happy with that. Again, I haven't really mucked around with the settings or whatever. I may add something onto this, I'm not too sure, but as for now I'm very happy and pleased with this. Alright guys, that is going to be the end of this part of the... Hold on guys. Sorry guys, all things were booting up and everything, and I didn't want everything booting up, probably making it more laggy. But that's what it looks like. Again, I haven't mucked around with the settings or whatever. But yeah, it looks like it's really nice. Yeah, neat. Well guys, I think that might be it for the unboxing. I'll let you know maybe in the comment section below how everything's going. I don't know, depends on what I decide to do. But yeah, I've got to get it a little bit more set up, I feel, with the settings perhaps. But I don't normally muck around with too much with the settings or whatever. But yeah guys, that is the end of this unboxing. If you're interested in any other products that I might have, I'll leave them in the annotation, and check out my latest playthrough in Monster Hunter World Iceborne. And I will see you next time. And there'll also be an update video now as well that I've got a monitor, hopefully. And I will see you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Okay guys, just to add this a little bit on, I'm going to show you a sneak preview. It's got my commentary with Batman, but this is what gameplay actually looks like on the thing itself.
Can you smell the excitement in the air? No? Must have been one of the guards then. Rocco boy, is that you?
Who the hell? Is that Croc?
Get ready.
So this is my commentary on the latest playthrough that I am going to be doing.
Trained on it at all times.
What in the world? Shit, he's a big boy, isn't he? Jesus Christ.
Doing. sense, Batman. I will hunt you down. Good God. Not want that thing. My toy collar won't stop me from killing you, Batman. I'll rip you apart. Eat your bones. Shit.
That is an older game, guys. It's like HD'd up or whatever, but I thought I'd just give you a sneak peek of that. Like I said. But yeah, enjoying it thus far, and I hope to see you in the next video. And join me for that playthrough, sorry. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Links will be in the description below, and I will see you next time. Thanks so much for watching.